Chad, look at my car, bro.
Really might slide it.
Think you gonna slide?
Going across the bridge by Walmart.
We got Paulo driving right now.
Yeah.
On the channel, man. It's Paulo right here, chat. Little channel right here. Tied.
Chicken strip with ketchup as well. With a Dr. Pepper and a chocolate chip cookie. And then your number one Whataburger with cheese, mayonnaise all the way. Medium dry, medium sweet tea. And 2 cups of ice.
Yes, sir.
Morning vlog. Morning vlog.
Yeah, get right that way. Reverse first and that way.
Yeah, I'll get something.
Boyo! Hop on that bit.
Hey, get him right. I got you. I got you. Alright, Concha, tell him what we're gonna do.
We're gonna slide it on the table, man. Hey, come on,
I got you. Hey, Q. Hey, you need to focus and hold this one right here. Hey, wait, grab him. Good.
Hold on.
Hey, hello. Hey, Concha, don't break your leg now. Yeah. And if you gotta let go there.
Yeah, we gotta let go over the wall.
Over the hill. Oh! Hit that! Damn, Concha.
Vamos!
Hey, go fast on them out. Go fast. Nah, I'm playing, man. Oh, hello. Go. Oh, hello. Go. All right. Look at that fool. No, man. Yeah, Kyler. Oh! He said, Gallo, let me borrow them hoes.
Let's need borrow one.
¿Qué, primo? ¿Estás frío o qué?
It's cold enough.
Come on with it. Yeah. No. Oh. Oh shit, that nigga. Oh! What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What happened, bro? That's what your dumb ass did.
Oh shit cold.
Damn, B. Hell.
How you feel?
Bro.
Bro, I wasn't even recording. Stop.
Can, no.
What's in my head?
Hey, Chad, you know what it is? Eric? Eric? Hey, him and his Black Panther. That's the Black Panther right there. That's what that is right there. That's the Black Panther, cuz.
That hoe gonna take off.
This Eric, y'all. Y'all probably know Eric, though. Alright, Chad, look. We just had... Were you recording with the cops, okay?
Nah.
Anyways, you had the cops pull up and they were like, hey, we cannot have y'all doing that because y'all gonna get hurt and shit, but I think we still gonna do it. What you think, Isaac? What you do?
Yeah, boy, we need to do it, boy.
We need to do it, huh?
Hey, we need to do it.
Fuck it. Hey, what I was saying, fam, low-key, how that bitch sit too? Hey, eyes open your head. Go on up. Alright.
Hold on.
man.
What the fuck? Sit on your lap.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, chat right now. It's Concha X Pollo right now. We're gonna slide on this bitch.
Y'all finna get that concha.
Hopefully nothing bad happens, man. Y'all peep shit though.
You better pause. Nah, you better bust your ass. Nah, you good. Just stand up. Fuck it.
What looks funnier when I was swinging it?
Yeah, whenever your hands like that.
Good fuck.
Like we was in a was that whole litter not ready, bro? No.
Hell yeah, bro. That shit's tough. What you mean?
Man.
Go.
Give me your feet, Glenn.
Go.
You went straight down the hill, bro.
Damn, bro. Yeah, look smart.
Let's get with it.
We're on that. We hooked up to the fucking.
¿Te importa la madre? Tony, you got it, bro. Come on.
Bro, I'm gonna go fly up, bro. It's
Ever get it. Come on. Alright, chat, I'm gonna go down this hill. Peep the hill. Ready? What's up, bust my ass.
There we go.
come on with it. Let's get it. Yeah.
Hello, Concha, yeah. Yo, Alan. How was it, Concha?
I ain't gonna lie, shit fun, bro.
Nah, I'm gonna bust it.
Why you not gonna trust?
Were you grabbing up today?
Yeah, what? But you don't gotta lift it up, just hold on. It's fun as hell. Oh, look at that.
Alright, man, let's go. Hold on.
Give me right.
Get him right, Tony. I'm with you.
All of it is bad, bro. Go on, your turn. You need to go down there right now and save the man. Go on, yo, get up! Switch. What's going on? You finna fly down the caution sign.
You ready to chat right now?
Yeah. I'm ready to chat. It says, he ugly. Damn.
Oh.
He playing, man. I can't even lie.
What janitor clause he stood up from? Run that hoe. Send that shit. Oh, you're low. Come on, Lowe's. Get back, yeah. Come back. Get it. What's up, man? Come back, restart. I think you like snowboard.
Chill.
Come on, man. That's not what that shit. I think I paid Hey, Chad, watch it.
You don't even know what the
You just came by yourself?
At the same time.
Get out the way! Watch out! Get out the way! Oh shit! I almost took the whole punch off his ass.
Fuck, that's probably not.
Come on, right? Come on.
That would have been it, right?
You wanna kill me?
Look, this what happened, fam. This what happened. Like 2 years ago, I went like, and I was okay going ham, like going all the way down. And then I went, boom, and this bitch went like, no cap. And my shit like popped. My shit popped. I didn't feel my lip for like a cool little week.
Hey, that's it fun, huh?
I didn't have insurance, so I thugged it out.
Hey, Wally? Yeah. Hold this, Colin. Watch this shit. You're gonna push me.
You think after go down there? Yeah, don't get me started. Let me push you, fam. I got you.
What's his camera back?
Oh, I was gonna record that.
I'm taking a POV. Yeah, slowly. Hey, slowly, fam.
Slowly?
Yeah, come on.
Nah, fuck that. Fast.
I'll push you fast.
Nah. Alright, fuck it. Come on.
Yeah?
Yeah, come on. Oh, yeah, chat.
I don't grab it onto that because just don't break it.
Yeah, don't break it. Just kind of like steer with that. Oh. Just stay on.
Oh, shit!
Hey, she's out the way though.
It's fine.
Alright, Chad, let's get it.
I'm gonna push one time in this hole.
Damn. I went like this. Hell, Chad, I thought I had it. I hit the little bomb and I thought that bitch move under me all over.
The POV.
On TikTok. You want to try it? Oh, that shit. Come on. But I didn't make it seem like it did, huh? I was like, fuck, you know, man.